Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome again to Tinkering with Neovim. Usually I tinker with the mini.nvim plugin, but today I am trying to actually create my own status line. So, as usual, this is a beginner. I am a beginner trying to figure out things. You should follow more competent people in the community, but this is me, an older guy just trying to learn something new. So first, to start off here, I uncommented the mini.statusline plugin so to create my own thing. Actually, you already see a little bit what it looks like at the bottom. Then I noticed a little error. The error was on the color scheme, so here I added the for everyone available color schema Max. I had here in my config before own one that I didn't even upload to GitHub, so that caused an error. A couple of more changes before I begin with the own status line. One, let's remove mini.surround. I played around a little bit with this, but I couldn't find the use case yet too much. I need to study it more. And I also added mini.jump 2D. It really helps me around to go quicker to certain locations. Just like this, where I jump to the D. Now, let's get to the status line. First, this is the list of all the nodes. I copied it from the internet. I'll add the link to the blog posts. Here I get the mode and match it to all the modes listed above. Here I have a little component which is just the file path, and now also the file name, and next the highlights, which is sort of the various green, yellow, red foreground colors that I'll use later. Then I am returning values that show the different language server protocol severity levels. The first one is the error, and it uses here the highlight of the red MyLSP errors, and it returns nothing here if it's empty, if there is no error. Now I am repeating the same thing over and over again for warnings, for hints, and for information. I'm sure there is a better way to loop through those. Then I'll just get the line information. You can get more information here, but here then I get the git information, the git changes. I'm using here directly the command line, and I'm not depending on another plugin, although it definitely is probably easier and looks nicer, especially since here I only have the added and deleted information and not really the information when a line changed. The changed here would be actually the number of files changed. Now let's actually put the status line together. Here you see the file path, the file name, the LSP information, the git status, and here this is the part that actually puts it all together and activates it. This is already also very much copy pasted from the blog post that I will link. Now I want to show off, and you see at the bottom the git information, but obviously the LSP error doesn't work after I put in this gibberish, so maybe I should start the LSP. And now you also see what the LSP errors look like. So this is a very reduced and worse status line than what you will probably find anywhere, but it's super minimalistic and reduced and customized with my own colors, so I learned something there, and it even works on my little cell phone screen, so not a bad thing for an old man to have figured out. And herewith I say thank you to anybody watching or listening, and I wish you a good day or evening or night wherever you are, and take care of yourselves. Goodbye.